What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in this video, it's all about my August Ipsy box. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy box, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, I got my August Ipsy Glam Plus box in the mail, and I am ready to break her open and see what's inside. And I know you guys are too, so let's get right into this. Yes, I got my handy dandy knife so we can cut her open. Yay! So here we go. This is her. And then she has like a little message inside that says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you, the Glam Bag Plus. And it has like a little yellow insert with all these little goodies. So we're going to get right into this and see what we have inside because I'm so excited. You guys know this is just like, I'm like a kid in a candy store when I get like makeup stuff and beauty products. Like I just love it. So first up, we have the Be Beautiful, Be You makeup brushes by F.A.R.A.H. So this is them right here. And it looks like you get 5 brushes. There's a large, these are all for your eyes, of course, because they're small. Let me see. There is a tapered blending brush, a large shading brush, a short shading brush, a mini tapered blending brush, and last but not least we have a fly wings brush. So that is really nice. A 5 brush set for your eyes. And F.A.R.A.H got some nice brushes. Got some brushes before in my Ipsy Glam bag. I think it was like 1 or 2 and I loved them. So here goes a little insert. I'm not going to read her unless we need to, okay? Because I like to be surprised like you. Next up, I have it's by Ahava, the Hydration Cream Mask. And it's, yeah, it's a hydrating cream. Ooh, and you guys know I love face creams and skincare. So it says a hydrating cream mask powdered by Osmotor. Infused and nourish thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. A rich creamy texture softens and smooths skin, providing intense hydration and comfort. Apply once or twice a week. Rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave all night. Approved for sensitive skin, allergy tested, and paraben free. So once or twice a week. So I'm excited to try this out. Hey, yes. So next up is by Subha Beauty. It's a liquid chrome illuminating drops. Ooh, that sounds very interesting, you guys. So this is the box. So let's see. It says liquid chrome illuminating drops come in a variety of shades, perfect for creating a dewy, radiant complexion, extreme highlight, bronzing, and strobing. Used on both face and body for all over glow. So let's open this up. I've never actually, no, I have used a liquid, but I've never used like a drop liquid. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Yes, I'm definitely going to be testing this out. Let's open her. Oh my God, and it's a dropper, y'all. It's a dropper. So let's just drop in you a bit. Let's just drop a little bit. Just drop a little dab, a little dab, a little dab. Cause she look thick, y'all. Like that's a little dab. Let's see how. Oh my God, that look at that little dab did. Like, oh my goodness. Let's rub her. Let's rub her and see what she do. Look at that. That is nice. Do you see that shimmer all over my hand like that? That just beautiful. Wear this at the pool or the beach. Like, hey, I'm just tan and glistening in the sun. That is nice. And look how much that little dab did. It did pretty much my whole hand and my arm right here. So that is nice. So yes, I'm excited to try this out, especially at the beach, because we're going to be going to the beach soon. And you know. And so next up, this is bubbled wrapped. So we're going to open this. And I love the container. It says Smith. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm reading this right. Smith and Colt. I don't know if that's right. Smith and Colt. And it says pillow pie. That's all it says, you guys. Am I reading that correctly? Smith and Colt. Can you guys see? Okay. I don't know what this is. So, let's open it. Okay. I think I seen something inside of there, like some balls. So I wonder if this is nail polish. Because you know how nail polish has those little ball thingies in it? But I'm going to open her if it lets me. It is nail polish. It is nail polish, you guys. This is nail polish. Which is cool, but we'll see how she does on my nails. I'll try her out. This is very big to be a nail. I mean, look at that. That's huge for a nail polish. Like, who's got time? And then look at this. It's like, yeah. Let me just make sure it's a nail polish. Let me read this little book thing. We need the book right now. So, yep, it's a Smith & Colt nail lacquer in pillow pie. Okay. It says, stuck in a beauty rut, the powder pink polish is the stuff of dreams. Super shiny, cheap, chip resistant, and eight free. AKA no harmful chemicals. Plus, it's cruelty, paraben, phthalate free. The unique handle was designed to look rough yet refined, kind of like real life. Tips: remove the gold handle to uncover a smaller, more price-sized one. Oh, okay. So this top comes off and you can have another handle. Did not know that. Mine is kind of like on there. I don't know how you remove it. I don't know. I'm going to have to play with this to see how you remove it because I'm not sure. But last but not least, I got the In the Balm of Your Hand. Greatest Hits Volume 2. So I'm assuming this is a palette. So this is what I right here. And it's by the Balm Cosmetics. And it slides out just like a palette. And opens up just like a palette. Beautiful. This is nice and cute. So let's see. We have a bronzer powder in Bahama Mama, a blush in Down Boy, a blush in Frat Boy, and another blush in Stain. You have a highlighter in Mary Lou Matte Manizer. And then we have some eyeshadows. Matte Rosé, Alice Copper, Firm, and Matte Red. So this is really pretty. Comes with a nice little size mirror. So yeah, I don't mind playing with these because these are my colors right here. Definitely these eyeshadows. I'm going to test out these blushes and see how they go. So yes, that's everything that I got out my Ipsy bag, or my Ipsy Glam bag plus box. I am happy with everything I got. What was most intriguing was this highlighter, and this is very unique because it's big for it to be an eyeshadow. I mean an eyeshadow, for it to be a nail polish, and I can't seem to get the other. There it goes. So here you go. I got it. I just keep screwing, y'all. But now you got the top off, And now you have a more precise brush, which I think is so much better than what they had. Because, oh my goodness. But yeah, I mean, it's cute. It's just really chunky. I'm sorry. It's just chunky. So I'm very excited, and the F.A.R.A.H brushes are nice. And of course, you guys know I love skincare, so I'm definitely going to be trying this mask out. So I'm happy about that. And you can never go wrong with a palette, especially with some nice neutral colors in there. So I am very happy with this box. I am still waiting on my Ipsy bag, but I did get my box. I hope you like this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And also, check out my giveaway video. It is going on until August 31st, and enter for your chance to win some nice beauty products. So check that out. I'll have it linked down below. So yes, I hope you like this video, and until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.